In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Blink's next generation battery-powered smart camera. This is Blink Outdoor 2K Plus, and it offers several key upgrades over previous model Blink Outdoor 4, focusing mostly on the video and the audio quality. What I have here is the brand new one, so today we're gonna unbox it. I decided to go with the 3-pack. You can also end up getting this as a single pack, and I believe it goes all the way up to 6 cameras. Now here is a little bit of the technical specs. It still uses 2 AA lithium batteries. It still connects with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Biggest difference, this is 2K resolution, unlike the Blink Outdoor 4, which is 1080p. All right, let's end up opening this up. All right, in the first box, we do have the sync module core. Now, this is, for me at least, a little bit of downgrade from the previous model. Now, the previous model came with the sync module 2, which you can end up connecting USB stick for the local storage. Now, unfortunately, on this one, there's no local storage. So if you're planning on getting this, you should definitely consider getting the Blink subscription. Now, I do have it. I've had the subscription for the last couple years, and I do love it. It does offer quite a lot of features. That's about it. It's a very small device. You can tuck it in anywhere. This is basically what's going to connect all the Blink devices. And let's see what we have here. I would assume this is power adapter. Then we also do have a little bit of the quick start guide, but let me just show you the power adapter here. So we have the cable, USB-C to USB Type-A, and the power adapter, USB Type-A. All right, now let's check the camera. I'm just gonna show you the one because everything else will be the same in the other two. Let's open this up. All right, so here we go with the camera. All right, so the first impression design, this stay very similar to the previous model. One thing I noticed, it does have a different lens. In the previous model, it was circle. Here is more of a square. It does have a little bit of the rubber on top to protect it from dust and probably rain as well. Now, right next to the lens, we do have a little sensor here, and then we have this. Now, at first, I thought it was a spotlight, but I couldn't find anything in the info, so I'm gonna assume this is some kind of sensor again. I believe since they do have the color night vision, this could be it. And then on the side, we do have the speaker, so it's gonna be same as the previous generation. Even the back looks the same. Now, let's see what else we have here. All right, so we have the mount. It looks exactly the same as the 4th generation. We also have 2 AA Energizer batteries. We have some screws for mounting. And then we have this little tool to open up the back. So let's end up doing this. To open up the back, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is use this little tool. All right, so here is where the batteries go. They usually last around 2 years. If you're getting quite a lot of notification, the battery time will definitely go down. And then we also have USB-C if you do want to end up using these wired. It does have the weather protection. So if you want to use this wire, make sure it's in a spot where you're not going to be getting a lot of rain and stuff like that. So for example, indoor, they can easily work as wired. And then right next to that, we do have a reset button. All right, next, let's go over the features and at the same time, compare them to the previous generation. The biggest improvements on this camera is definitely the 2K resolution. So this has 2560 times 1440. The previous generation, 1080p. So that's definitely a significant improvement. If you want to lower your data storage, you can still go back to the 1080p and 720p resolution as well. Second improvement would definitely come in the night vision. So this supports color vision in low light before switching to the IR. The previous generation only had the standard infrared IR. So I believe that's what this is for, color vision, but again, I'm not 100% on that. Next improvement, this has the enhanced 4x digital zoom, and the previous model only had the standard zoom. Now, this one also does have some improvement in the audio as well. It does have the advanced noise cancellation for clear audio. Now, here is where the previous generation is a little bit better. So we're talking about field of view. This new model has 115 degrees horizontal, 135 degrees diagonal, while the previous model had 143 degrees diagonal. So you can fit a little bit more on the screen on the previous generation. The differences are small, but it is a little bit of a downgrade. Battery life both models should have up to 2 years. That's at the default settings. But even if you get 1 year of battery life on 2 single AA batteries, that's pretty impressive. That was my unboxing and overview of the new Blink Outdoor 2K Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.